On July 20, 1969, Apollo 11 reached the lunar surface, marking a historic moment for humanity. This footage shows astronaut Buzz Aldrin descending the lunar module ladder toward the moon. A side-by-side comparison displays the original NASA recording and a modern restored version. On the left, enhanced footage provides sharper detail, improved contrast, and clearer motion. On the right, the original video preserves the authentic and unaltered historic moment. Buzz Aldrin carefully descends step by step, becoming one of the first humans on the moon. Every movement reflects precision, training, and the importance of this mission. The Apollo 11 landing marked humanity's first steps onto another world. Restoration technology now allows us to view this moment with greater clarity than ever before. Together, both versions preserve and honor a defining achievement in space exploration history.